Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 17. Simplify root 20 plus root 5 plus root 1 to 5. A. 3 root 5, B. 6 root 5, C. 7 root 5, D. 8 root 5, and E. 10 root 5. So we're given an expression in SORD and we have to simplify what this expression. This is in SORD form. Now we have root 20. Let me divide our page into two. We have root 20 plus root 5 plus root 1 to 5. Now for us to simplify this, here we have root 20. Now we must express this 20 as what? As a product of two numbers, whereby one number must be what? A perfect square, and 20 can be a multiple of 4 and 5. Now 4 here is a perfect square of what? 2. 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 4. So therefore we say what? Root 4 times 5 plus root 5 plus, now also we will express 125 as a product of two numbers. One must be a perfect square, and that is what? 25 and 5. So root 25 times 5, and with this we have what? Opening this, we have root 4 times root 5 plus root 5 plus root 25 times root 5. Now from here we have that what? Root 4 will give us what? 2 root 5, that is 2 times this root 5 here, plus root 5, and root 25 will give us what? 5 plus 5 root 5. Now so therefore we have what? 2 root 5 plus root 5 plus 5 root 5. Now these are like terms, so adding all in this up, that is summing them, you have what? 2 root 5 plus root 5 will give us what? 3 root 5, and 3 root 5 plus 5 root 5 will give us 8 root 5. So 8 root 5 is the answer to this question, and that is option D, 8 root 5. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.